Have you ever faced a situation where you showed your final product to your end user and then they say, this is not what I want, and you are actually back to square one. You think you did a good job, you spent lots of late nights, and at the end, all are in vain. Why? Because you think that you got the requirements through, detailed interviews, you did focus group, facilitated workshops, but eventually nothing worked. I believe that the major reason of this is that whenever you go for requirement gathering, whenever you go for interview or focus group, you are not listening what your customer is saying. Actually, you are mapping what you have and what you know. This is the biggest problem. And the solution to this problem in design thinking is how we are defining the meaning of the customer input. And this is where, when we map design thinking with agile, stories comes into play. Stories helps us to understand the meaning of customer requirements, or you can call it customer outcomes. So if you want to understand how to create good user stories for your product, do join our Agile Project Management with Design Thinking workshop. Thank you.